These are so tempting for Easter. They look so good. 2.5 pounds of butter cookies, $24. Okay, so I came to Gordon's today because my grandpa mentioned saltines getting stale on him. So I want to see if they have the individual packs that he gets at like Wendy's, and also buy some soup for him and my grandma just to make things a little easier for them. Love you, Grandma and Grandpa. I have never looked at their pasta here. Look at all of this. So 5 pounds, $12.49. They have lots of different kinds. Elsie's here asking me to get this much macaroni. Elsie loves classic macaroni, don't you? There's penne, there's rotini, Holy Olive Garden. Now I'm looking for saltines. I know that they had a 50 pack. Oh, right here. I know they had a 500 count. So this is 500 packs of 2 crackers. It's $28, but hopefully they won't go stale on him. Or they have this one. I think I'm gonna get the 500 Gordon Food Service kind. I also love all the sauces they have here. You can just see why restaurants charge you for extra sauces, because they have to pay for them too, but there's lots of good ones. That garlic parm looks really good to me. It's kind of fun to walk through here and imagine what I'd put in a restaurant. Okay, so as we're in the spice aisle, as we're in the sauces, we did find one that we think we're gonna get. Jalapeno mustard. It says sweet and spicy. It's $3.59. We love our mustards, don't we?
Yes.
So that's for us. Sorry, Grandma and Grandpa. Look at all this cheese. I'm just over here salivating. Cheese sounds so good to me. Lots of different types of hard cheeses. They have the goat cheese, sliced cheese. Okay, so this is what I remember seeing last time, and I want to pick out a couple for my grandma and grandpa. Just ones that would be really simple for them. I see broccoli cheese. The one that sounds really good to me is the Wisconsin cheese soup. I don't know, there's so many different ones. Beef and barley I think would be good. Wedding soup, chicken noodle, chili, enchilada soup. Oh, you can even buy it by the case and save money. I'm not gonna buy a case of the same soup. Okay, after much debate, I'm gonna skip the bigger ones because you don't add anything to it. The smaller ones will be easier for my grandparents to fit in their freezer, for me to fit in my freezer until I deliver it to them. But also, you just add water. So I'm gonna get the vegetable beef and barley, and also the old-fashioned chicken noodle. That's the one Elsie picked out. So they're $23.99 each. Okay, we changed our mind. We're gonna get the chicken and dumpling and vegetable beef. I also picked ones you don't have to add milk to, you just add water, because some of them are milk, some are water. This is a milk, or this is a water, and that's a water. So $23.99 and $25.49. It might sound silly, but I'm so excited to deliver these to them. I made them soup and they really enjoyed it, and I just know it'll be an easy meal for them for a couple days. And just because we're here and hungry, I found these pierogies, potato and cheddar. I've never made these, but they're vegetarian, $4.79. I'm gonna get these for a meal. So we're getting mustard and pierogies. Grandma and Grandpa are getting crackers and soup. Let's go check out and see our damage. It's taking everything in me to not buy a giant thing of pudding. I love pudding. Yummy tapioca. Yes, please. Okay, we're out shopping and I'm gonna get this drink for my meal before we go. That looks good, and I know it'll be a low-calorie option. I'm so excited to give this up to my grandma and grandpa. If you want to see my first Gordon's grocery haul right before the Super Bowl, you can check out this video right here. My total was $87 and change. I don't remember, but basically $88. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.